Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Grub. This week is a Greg vs. Joe challenge.
Today we're going to be cooking a man-sized burger for you. Joe, it's going down. He doesn't know what he's in for. He wants to know how I'm going to flip my burger. Man-sized spatula.
Hey Greg, just keep your burger simple. Just quit overcompensating with everything you do. Are you ready?
Hold on. I think Greg's calling.
Hey man. Hey, yeah, when you're done with that burger cook, just return my grill. Hey, one more thing. You know anything about my bottle of bourbon that's missing? No, I had it yesterday.
Bullet time. Oh man, you gotta have lots of bourbon.
This is how you make a Joe burger. It's absolutely going to destroy whatever Greg's making. I don't even have a clue what it is. Get at least a pound of bacon on this nice burger here.